Hello, my name is Sridhar and I'm from India. In this video, I show how to make your Fios router talk to domain name providers such as dyndns to reflect any changes in the public IP address of your router. Generally, IP address provided by internet service providers keeps changing every now and then. So, if you just use the IP address to reach your home router, it won't work when it keeps changing or when it changes. How do we avoid this problem? dyndns or dyn.com provides two domain names for free. Let's say you want a domain name Unix operator for your computer at home. Go to dyn.com, register yourself, and then sign in with your username and the password. Under my host, click on add host services. Next to the host name, just type in the name you want for your computer. It's Unix operator, and I chose here dyndns.org. So the full domain name is unixoperator.dyndns.org, and I want the service type to be host with IP address. And here I should type the address of my router, which can be easily found by going to whatismyipaddress.com, or if you see here, it's already mentioned here 72.76.198.177. So just type in that number 6198.77, and then that's it. You just click on the activate. I'm not going to do it here because I already set it up. Once it is activated, you might get email and stuff like that. Take care of that. Now we need to tell Fios router to update the dyndns whenever its IP address changes. So the dyndns updates operator.dyndns.org with the right IP address. How do we do that? Go to 192.168.1.1 in your browser. 192, okay, enter the username and password. This is the username for your router and the password. Click on advanced, yes, dynamic DNS. I'm going to show what I already set up. So you need to click on the new dynamic DNS entry, and this is what happens. So next to the host name, type in the domain name you chose from the dyn.com. If you remember, I chose unixoperator.dyndns.org. Connection, if it is Verizon Fios, it should be broadband connection coax. Provider, select dyndns.org, and the username should be the dyn.com username, that is here, and the password also should be for the dyn.com, and dynamic DNS system, it should be dynamic DNS, and apply. I'm not going to do it because I already set it up. That's it. So if you see under the status, it updated. If I remember right, when I first set it up, whatever the IP address I have right now, definitely it wasn't the IP address. So in theory, what's happening is every 3 months my IP address changes. Verizon changes the IP address of my router. When it changes, my router immediately updates dyn.com to dyn.com, so that dyn.com updates the entry unixoperator.dyndns.org with the right IP address provided by the Verizon router. That's it. So what are the advantages? What's the point of doing all this? You can simply connect your desktop computer at home from outside world using some name rather than IP address that could change anytime. And also, if you set up port forwarding on your router, you can simply do SSH username at operator.dyndns.org to reach your desktop computer. I do this all the time to connect my home computer from office. Please see my other video that explains how to set up port forwarding on Verizon Fios router so that you can reach your home computer, especially when you have multiple devices connected to the router. If you have any doubts in setting it up, let me know and I'll help you. Thanks.